Bam. I'm just gonna do a quick little video on the swing point here is coming up in a second. The swing point here, we're here right now, and I'm gonna be looking for buys after it hits that low. Go to trading view actually. Yeah, so this is my mentality here. So I marked that prominent swing low. Here's the start of the session line. So I'm going to be looking for some buys there. So even right now we're getting this white little button here pop up. So this could even be a good place to buy right here, because it just took it out after a big pump up. So big pump up, dot shows we're still above that VIX. So sometimes after it passes that VIX spike, you could get a pump up hard, but I'm not too familiar with that right now, so we're just gonna wait. It's probably like a bit of a pre-buy for this low, so this is probably going to be a really strong level once it hits, is what I'm guessing. And if we look at the what's this called again? I renamed it here because I adjusted, but it's originally called like Williams, Bill Williams tops and bottoms, I think it's called. So yeah, horizontal line here at 0.1. This one's at 0.1. So looking at the sellers here and comparing it to the buyers down here, we can see the buyers is quite a bit lower. So we still got some selling going on here, but they're still both pretty low. So we're just going to pause the video and check back in on it in the future. So we'll just pause this somehow. I don't even know how to pause. I have to stop it. Yeah, okay guys, we've reached that point in our lives where a VIX popped again. So if you entered right now, that'd be pretty aggressive buy entry, but you can already see we tapped into that. I'm just gonna go ahead just because I'm doing small bets right now on my prop firm trial. Just gonna go ahead and just, where's that take profit? Just gonna go ahead and just do something like that. Go for a 1-to-1. It's already pumping up pretty hard. $13 bet. This is a bit of a gambling move. But you can see, if you look down here, just where the vertical line is at the, here, go like this. So it's starting to increase. You're at the very entry, the very start of the move. So I don't usually enter there, but I don't know. Just do it anyhow. And there's the ATR, support and resistance. It's another line it likes to gravitate towards. So yeah, we'll just see what happens here. You can see the selling is dying out here, buying is increasing. So let's see what happens. Okay, stop the video for now. Well, I regret to inform you, starting this video, that I closed this profit too early, and I missed some profits, guys. I missed some profits. But next time, maybe I'll get it just right. That was a good trade though. I think I might have made a mistake actually putting this line on the wrong chart, but anyhow, it worked out. We made a couple of dollars. We made $9, guys, on the prop firm trial. We were getting up to 95.81. But yeah, there it was. We entered here. There was some drawdown. And then she popped back up, and then I closed her off. So there you go. She could keep pumping. Not sure. But yeah, things are looking pretty good. Okay, look at this greasy, greasy, greasy hog. Look at that, hey? Got out sometime here, and then the greasy hog just rips up to the 12 a.m. Can you believe that, folks? But yeah. So I get out here, and look at all this. There's a lot of buying pressure here. And there's like no selling pressure here, right at the top. Right at the top, right up here. There's like no selling pressure. But there's a lot of buyers coming in. So that's a pretty good probability that things are going to keep moving upwards, up north. And then she just tags into that line, boys. Ooh, greasy. Greasy, greasy, greasy. Well, that's pretty much the end of the trading for today. But yeah. Yeah, that move that I was looking at before, that was actually this one here, yeah. Yeah, sold up here. Got out here for a really nice trade. And then the next one that I was talking about at the beginning of the video was this one, and then sold out here. And then it just continued upward to that 238 moving average. But yeah, really interesting though, because like right at that one point where it hangs right here, scares out buyers like it's going backwards, and then another leg up. So yeah, interesting how that happens. And here it is on the trading view. Yeah, VIX down, pumps down, another VIX down, pumps down, just continues up. So it's probably going to go for all these levels up here. Usually what happens. Yeah, really interesting, guys. Buyers, sellers are dead. Buyers are huge, so maybe it'll keep on going up. Who knows? Anywho, thanks for watching, guys. Stay blessed. Hey, traders, just putting the videos together here. Just wanted to show you what happened. So yeah, we were down here. We entered. Price went up, 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 and came back down. Came back down. My voice probably sounded really weird there. But yeah, you can see the buyers leaving here, sloping down, and you can see the sellers increasing. And right at about this here, this vertical line, or even this one, you can see sellers coming in, and you can see how low the buyers are. So yeah, you're going to be wanting to sell there. You can see a VIX pop up right here, and right after that, what does it do? It immediately goes south. So instead of it going north, like what happened kind of in this area, you know, up, then down, then back up, it just goes pretty much straight south. So that's another good indication that it's going to continue that way. So it continues down, and you can see the sellers coming in, buyers just die off, just dead. And now we're at this swing point here, and you could be looking for buys, but it's probably going to continue for a while just because it does look pretty bearish. But yeah, so it doesn't even come up to any swing point, because any like swing high, because it is so bearish. It just comes down to this, where there's probably some kind of a reset happens. There's this here too, that ATR indicator here. There's that, you know, you could be using that as a reversal point. But yeah, just really interesting what happens there. So anyhow, just want to add that to the last bit of the clip I was making. Thanks again, guys. Happy trading. Hope you learned something from this, guys. Stay fresh. Bless.